continuing on with the review for the unit and continuing on with review questions for algebra. In the first day of the fall semester, 7 of the first 100 students arriving at school forgot to bring money for lunch. If there were that many students each day, about how many of them will forget? 7 of 100 is 0.07 or 7%. So I'm going to do 0.7 times 1280, and I would get 89.6 students, because you can't have partial students, and I would suggest you round up to 90 students. Mrs. Ellison's classroom has a perimeter of 84 feet and is rectangular in shape. The length of the room is 12 feet less than twice the width. So 2L plus 2W equals 84. 12 feet less than twice the width is, length is 12 feet less than twice the width. Write one equation that could be used to determine the dimensions. It's asking for the substitution. So that would be 2 times 2W minus 12 plus 2W equals 84. And that's the one equation. A gardener is trying to decide the area of his garden. If the plot has length of that and the width of that, what would be the area? When I do area, I do length times width. So I do 4x minus 1 times 2x plus 5 minus 5 plus 20x minus 2x and 8x squared gives me minus 5, positive 18x, and 8x squared. A crab has 2 more legs than a scorpion. Crab equals scorpion plus 2. Together they have 18 legs. Of course, crab plus scorpion equals 18. How many legs does the crab have? So I would do s plus 2 plus s equals 18. 2s plus 2 equals 18. 2s equals 16. S equals 8. That's the scorpion. How many legs does the crab have? 2 more. 10 legs. So I'm substituting that into here to find the crab legs. Solve. I'm going to distribute. Negative 3x minus 15 minus 7 equals negative 8x plus 11. I'm going to combine. Negative 3x minus 22 equals negative 8x plus 11. I'm going to move the smaller x. 5x. And I'm going to right now move the 22 equals 33. X equals 33 over 5. And that would be your final answer. Find the domain. It is from negative 6 less than, not less than or equal, just less than. There's no color. So less than, and all the way over here would be 4x is less than or equal to 4 because there is color. And then from bottom to top is negative 3 is less than y is less than or equal to 5, which is bottom to top. The next page. Find the equation that best describes the table of values. This would be, it's not consistent, So you would use Desmos, and you would use stat. And so this is y equals 0.2581x minus 2.0467. And that's when you use Desmos and you plot all of these, you put it into the table, and then you do y sub 1 is squiggled mx sub 1 plus b, and it'll give you an equation. On Valentine's Day, roses cost that each, and $7 if you have them delivered. Brad has that to spend on his girlfriend. Write an inequality that would represent. I'm going to do 225x plus 7 has to be less than or equal to 43. So this is less than or equal to 43. My video stopped, and so I paused it, and we're going back. On the next one, I distributed the negative, and as I distributed the negative, I pulled it under each of the like terms. So the 3b squared became negative 3b squared, negative 9b became positive 9b, and negative 6 became positive 6. That's distributing the negative 1. 2b squared and negative 3b squared becomes negative 1b squared. 7b plus 9b is 16b, and negative 1 plus 6, and that is not 7, but that is 5. Graph, I need it in y-intercept, so I'm going to pull this over, and I'm going to pull the 7 over, so 2x minus 7 equals y. Therefore, I am starting at negative 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going up 2 and right 1. And that is a slope of 2 and a y-intercept of 0, negative 7. Graph 3x plus y is greater than 2. So y is greater than negative 3x plus 2. I'm going to start at 2, going down 3, right 1. Up 3, left 1. I'm going to draw a solid line because the inequality is underlined. 0, 0 is definitely on one side, so I'm going to do 3 times 0 plus 0 is greater than or equal to 2. 0 is greater than or equal to 2, which is no. And since that is a no, I'm going to go on the other side of the line, and I'm going to color over here. That is the conclusion of the review for Unit 11.